And like endangered species, cultures need to be protected. We are not xenophobes, we are not racists, and we are not anti-religion. Okay? What we're trying to say is illegal immigration, illegal encroachment by economic migrants into Indian soil, which is Assam.
And like an endangered species, cultures need to be protected. We are not xenophobe, we are not racist, we are not anti-religious. What we are trying to do is stop immigrants. Yes, that's how NRI Assamese staying in UK, US, Ukraine, Germany, raising their voice against the CAA.
High Commission here, people from Assam living in the UK are raising their voice against the Citizenship Amendment Act.
Eastern area of India. We are not in touch with them. There is no internet connection. And now, because we are against the bill, there is no consent. They are threatening to shut down basic amenities like electricity. So, as Northeasterns, we all have gathered here.
লাজৰ নহয় গৌৰৱৰ ভাষাটো হৈছে অসমীয়া ভাৰতৰ নুটখনৰ 15টা ভাষাৰ প্ৰথম ভাষাটো হৈছে আমাৰ অসমীয়া কেৱল জৰিয়তে আমাৰ অসম চৰকাৰে অসমক ধ্বংস কৰিব বিচাৰিছে অসমৰ অস্তিত্ব ধ্বংস কৰিব বিচাৰিছে আৰু অসম চুক্তিক ধ্বংস কৰিব বিচাৰিছে কিন্তু অসম এখন এনেকুৱা ৰাজ্য 17 বাৰ মোগলে অসমক আক্ৰমণ কৰিছিল যদি অসমক দখল কৰিব পৰা নাছিল কাৰণ তেতিয়া দিনৰ লাচিত বৰফুকন আৰু প্ৰত্যেকজন বীৰ শহীদৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ অসম ৰক্ষা কৰিছিল গতিকে আমি অসম চৰকাৰ আৰু কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰৰ গোলাম নহয় যে তেওঁলোকে যি আইনে আমাৰ ওপৰত জাপি দিব আৰু সেই আইনখন আমি সহজে মানি লম গতিকে মই অসম ৰাজ্যক হেকত এইটোৱে মনত পেলাব বিচাৰিছো যে জাগিলে অসম থাকিব দেশ নহলে কিন্তু হ'ব বাংলাদেশ
নমস্কাৰ মই কোনো ব্যক্তিগত পৰিচয় মোৰ দাঙি ধৰিব নিবিচাৰো এগৰাকী অসমীয়া জীয়াৰী হিচাপে মোৰ অসমবাসী ৰাইজক এটা অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছো যেহেতু ইতিমধ্যে আমি গম পাইছো কেব গৃহীত হৈছে আৰু তাৰ বাবে আন্দোলন প্ৰতিবাদ ইতিমধ্যে চলিয়ে আছিল আমি আগৰ পৰাই কেব মানা নাছিলো আৰু এতিয়াও নামানো আমি জানিবলৈ পাইছো তিনিজন কৈ ডেকাই নিজৰ এই আন্দোলনত নিজৰ মৃত্যুক আঁকোৱালি ল'ব লগা হৈছে আমি তেখেতলোকৰ ত্যাগ অথলে যাব দিব নোৱাৰো
Citizenship on the basis of religion. It is against religion. It is against our constitution. And now they are violating the human rights. Now they are violating the human rights. And where is democracy? Democracy is end, And we strongly oppose the care. We strongly oppose the care. I appeal all the Indians to hear our voices. We oppose care.
Students and other Assamese NRI joins across the globe for protest as whole India burns over newly implemented Citizenship Act.
You know that Assam is already, as Assamese, we are already kind of a very minority. So if we allow, whether it's Hindu, whether it's Muslim, whether it's Christian, anybody, any immigrants come to Assam, if we allow, we will be losing our so rich culture, so rich language, which actually I personally try to promote in UK quite hugely.
The Assamese identity is actually a civic identity. Assam is like a mini India. It's very diverse, lots of cultures and languages, and like endangered species, cultures need to be protected. We are not xenophobes, we are not racists, and we are not anti-religion. Okay? What we're trying to say is illegal immigration, illegal encroachment by economic migrants into Indian soil, which is Assam, is taking a huge toll on us and has done so for decades. Lives have been lost protesting about this. So now there are three issues. First of all, the protesters have been brutally repressed, and there is curfew, shoot-at-sight orders, etc., including where my mother is in Guwahati. And secondly, and a number of our parents. Secondly, the thing is, it is a discriminatory act, the Citizenship Amendment Act, the CAA. It discriminates on religion. Well, if you are going to give refuge to someone, the principle would have been not to discriminate against religion. But in terms of talking about refuge, we are not against genuine refugees, but we know statistically that these people are economic migrants and they just cross across a porous border into Indian territory, and the centre doesn't seem to do anything about it.